me. You're the fire in my chest, the air